Good morning, welcome to the inside of my van and welcome to another job. I'm back here in my home village of Stubbington on the south coast of Hampshire. It's a boiling hot morning already, first thing. We're in the height of summer now, so which is lovely. It's lovely to work out in this after months of, rain and wind and the cold at the beginning of the year. But I'm going to still moan, I'm going to say little shady spots in the garden, still nice to work in. Anyway, today's video is a nice little water feature. It's a pre-built sort of plug and play 3-bowl water feature the customer would like. I've already been here before for this customer to fit a water butt for her, and we got talking about a little area that she had in a paved area. There's a paving slab missing. She didn't know what to do with it. So it was either put some plants in there, or she liked the idea of a little water feature that the birds could come and have a drink and a wash in, which is good. But this will involve removing 2 other slabs so I can get the cable across to an external socket on the wall. So I will need to dig down 450mm, run the cable in some conduit, and then put those paving slabs back, obviously re-cement those and repoint those. So that's part of the job as well. Talking of the water butt I fitted here, don't forget, check out my video. I'll send the link up there. I did a few months back about the importance of water harvesting and collecting rainwater. Very important, especially now as we're hitting summer. As you've just seen, I've got 6 water butts in my garden, and they sort of feed my wildlife pond and my fish pond, top them up when the evaporation starts this time of year. So all good, keep the rainwater, saves using the tap water, and it's obviously better for the ponds anyway. Anyway, I digress. Let's crack on with this water feature and paving job. So this is the back garden where this feature is going to be going. As you can see, this is the area that the slab is missing. There is a double socket, so I'm going to cut the paving of this slab here, and then the cable will be run up to there. Water feature will sit here, and then we'll finish it off as the customer likes once it's in. Let's get going. So just got this conduit run through here with the cable. The cable didn't cut the sections, just got the plug going to the transformer there. So I've just cable tied that, looped under itself to get to that socket, so I can make that a bit tidier later on. Not much I can do with that, unfortunately, because that's a set length of cable. So that cable comes over here. It's going to come up this adapter here, and then this end here will plug into the water feature. So we've got enough depth, as you've seen, for the cable. I'm just going to leave that loose now, start backfilling this, compacting this in, leave enough room for some sub base on top, and yeah, get that whacked down basically, and get ready to start relaying these slabs before I can get the water feature sat where it needs to go. So that's all in and working now. What I'm going to do now, I have a tidy up, get all this excess rubble and soil taken away, and then I'm going to come back in a couple of days when I've got a spare morning I've allowed for, just to get this pointed in, and then it'll be all buttoned up for the customer. But for now, just going to leave that running. She's very happy with that. Hopefully we can entice a few birds down to have a drink and a bath. Be lovely. So back at the job now, I'm going to come and get this pointing done. I did notice that when I took these pavers out the other day, the pointing that was used was the brushing and compressing type. So I've picked up a colour which I'm hoping is going to be similar. Obviously I didn't do this paving, so I don't know exactly what was used. I mean, it's only the 2 slabs there. The customer's not too worried with it, shall we say. But I've got a colour that should be a good match. And then I've also bought some 10mm stone I'm going to put around the bottom of this just to finish off the look, and then we'll be all done. So there we have it, all done and dusted. We've got the finish now. We'll let that pointing go off, keep off that for a little bit. Got the shingle around there, just finishes it off, makes it more than just a hole in the ground with a feature in. Customer is very happy, and that's the most important thing. So that's me all done on another job. If you like what you've seen, please like, subscribe, all the usual stuff we say on here. And until then, see you on the next one.